Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add GST number in Google Ads. And it's really easy and simple. So basically, first things first, you want to go ahead and ensure that you have signed into your Google Ads, and then you want to click on the tools and settings icon. Then guys, you want to go to the billing section. Okay, click on billing and then go ahead and click on billing settings. Now right here, you should see your payment profiles option. Click on that and then you will see your tax info section depending on your country. So if you're in Singapore, you'll see Singapore tax info. What you're going to do is tap on the pencil icon to edit and then just key in your GST number. And don't forget to save your settings, and make sure guys your account needs to be the organization or business type and not individual to actually be able to add your GST number. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.